In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp in Card website. We're going to add a clickable WhatsApp icon to your Card site so visitors can message you instantly. Start by heading to card.so in your browser. From the home page, select Open Dashboard to access your projects. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, then you'll land on your dashboard. Choose the site you want to edit and open it in the builder. Inside the editor, look for the Add button. This is where you insert new elements onto your page. From the menu that appears, choose Icons. The Icons element lets you place popular social and messaging icons with links, and it's perfect for WhatsApp. With the Icons element selected, open the Type dropdown. This list shows all available icons. Scroll through or use the search field if you see one, and locate the WhatsApp icon. When you see it, click it to add it to your icon set. Now let's make that icon actually take people to your chat. In the URL field for the WhatsApp icon, paste your WhatsApp link. A reliable format is https://wa.me// followed by your full international number without spaces, dashes, or the plus sign. For example, use wa.me/ your country code your number. You can also pre-fill a message by adding text followed by your greeting, like wa.me/ your country code your number, text at hello send 20 there. Replace the placeholders with your details, and remember to URL encode spaces with %20 so the message displays correctly. This keeps the experience smooth and helps visitors reach you in a single tap. Once your link is in place, click Done to confirm. You'll now see the WhatsApp icon on your page, and you can position it where it makes the most sense. Drag it to an area that's easy to find, like near your other social links or close to your contact section. If your layout allows, consider keeping it visible above the fold so mobile visitors don't miss it. While you're still within the icon settings, you can typically adjust size, spacing, and color to match your brand. A contrasting color ensures it stands out, but make sure it still aligns with the overall look of your site. That's all there is to it. You've added a WhatsApp icon, linked it properly, and placed it where your audience can reach you quickly. Keep your link updated if your number changes, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.